Yeah, there are Asem Kesee, bro. You can Ministry of Health and government's position in terms of readiness for the Ebola saga. Sana Americano. Yaba, it is uncommon we are not fame. Also, when you are quenya, or potem, or mantem, or born also, fear or shame, a juma womb, the Ecoswa, Yene, the Enya, Nina say, a Ghana, ye di, any a can't be dimu, na a repair. Yakoba, Yaba, when you are quenya near Dinko.
Efforts are underway to establish Ebola treatment centers in Accra, Kumasi, and Tamale to cater for the southern, middle, and the northern zones of the country. Going forward, we entreat all institutions to minimize mass gatherings that would necessitate the convergence of individuals from different places in the sub-region as we remain in this high alert phase. Any mass gathering, particularly if it involves people from affected communities moving across borders to attend such conferences in the country, poses a serious security threat. Government will continue to work towards the best case scenario, which is prevention of the Ebola virus disease.
By the end of the week, at least 3 designated facilities which shall be cover the southern zone, the middle zone, and the northern zone, and based at Accra area, and then Kumasi and Tamale will be ready for us specifically to use for Ebola. We have managed about 24 suspected cases, and these cases have tested negative. These cases were not managed in the midst of other conditions. We provided some form of isolation whilst we manage these cases within the health sector to make sure that we don't contaminate ourselves, we don't transmit the the disease from one person to another, and also not to contaminate the environment. My office has distributed PPEs to the area people that are likely to come in contact with suspected cases, the staff that are likely to come in contact with suspected cases, and the frontline staff at the various points of entry. All the teaching hospitals, the regional hospitals have PPEs. We have sent PPEs to the airports and all the points of entry.
The most important tool that we need to give to people is information, is educate them on what the disease looks like and what do they need to do if they are not well. We have provided education materials, and we are working with the international community to mobilize additional resources should they be needed to complement what the government of Ghana is already providing.
Of banning airplanes coming in, that is going to be at a different level. I believe Ministry of Health is coordinating with WHO for other directives, because you have to bear in mind whatever you do here will have some repercussions on other travelers. There's an emergency operational EOC, Emergency Operations Center, which we've activated for all our airports. With that comes certain protocols that our airports have to do. Cleaning, sanitizing, public education. Within the next 2 weeks, you're going to see a lot of banners at our airports educating people, public education. We will mount our own. We've also equipped our people with the right gear so that if there's an airplane coming from an endemic area, they meet them with the right level of protection.
Emo akwaba meje dise wo mpanyimfo hyehyɛ ne ntutua wonde agu akwam efa Ebola yade ene ho yade sɛde atitu yenko ade wiase nyina ye na nyame dɔ ye pa anyone ye de behu ne yaso ne ye de bete ba Ebola pa de
empare
asem ni na waka no amen but de bia da no de tie ne se adesua ene ahweyie ana se orutu anamo enka se we akiri de bi eni akiri kra ebe de we de ya Adom na abeto fesu e wo honom no enti mesrew se oso be hwe oso yi
ahoro wonsa ta ahoro wonsa fasama na
afi o hwe ni o ma bibiri yi pa se de
ona mu wiem
enkofa akuti ani mira enkofa ha bia emma
ona mu wiem kaka ho
every pediaro every associate bi di kobo na bi few kra na ayo de oh 1760 your text message line way free kino to hodom na ba quickly I will
me kai e for say asate mapofo nya me ya Adom a ochena ene ochena ne kwesi da mo hwe ni wo asate mapo aye ba de ti doctor nyako a wo asate mapo hospital hodom and afi lily munyina ye chia bodo pay
right wa o hwe bia abo bi ka wa no frantoma nti ye careful nipa oben won no nya wa
be yo
condolence to Edna Chocho Badu your late mother Madam Beatrice Fofo Ajete age 95 wow ami aduma echina na won ye no ewo Abokobi Zamama Presby Church no kono pepepe 95 Thanksgiving service no so ebe cost 3rd August Abokobi Presby. All right, so asem no nyina na yakana 95 enya djuma
95 kwabra woni munite wetimi adi 95 won se 34 no na sikape wahu sikape ni sa abrabo me pentam nya we me pentam nya ntina stress ni wo mo so okay so ene ye no ma ye bai na ye pene ma pa ye pepe kasa kase wiase ne nyina pese so a wiase nyina e pe kasa kase ye pe adan enye dan yo adan ye pe kas just say ye pe bia double mpo emro so ti da bia na pressure da ye so na stress da ye so ni say ye moja ye system no tension ni ewu
okay yaw akoso mu nyina mo wa no se menka yaw mesi na yaw bo fu name o se da bi yaw car rental me hokani a wo Kumasi Odion Tech brono no so wa baba fefe pa na so hokani ni say ozo do katina obi ana
na da no di di sie no di hokani so die
obi obezo ni yiri be dipem obezo ni opese de bia kra obo se
se wenye sa kokoni beba no madafu bi owo community 1 na anu wo se wakoto radio kakra chesi utime kakra na chese me boni din wo radio sinti wa start nya atamfo
ye try home in bakraba to man say se nya wa
dream wo se eni panyi na do wo
okay ye try home bra ye try home e ba ra we jakwa dia kasa